Dear family, congregation, and people of Samoa, it is with a heavy heart that we gather to pay tribute to Rev Viliamu Mafo'e, a beloved pastor who has left an indelible mark on our hearts and our nation. Rev Mafo'e's passing is a great loss not only for his family but also for his congregation in Samoa and around the world. His unwavering dedication to serving his congregation and spreading the message of faith has touched the lives of many, and his memory will forever be cherished. As a pastor, Rev Viliamu Mafo'e was a guiding light for his congregation. He led with love, compassion, and wisdom, providing spiritual guidance, support, and comfort to those in need. His unwavering faith and commitment to his calling were evident in his words and actions, and he has left behind a legacy of deep faith and devotion that will continue to inspire his congregation and believers everywhere. Rev Mafo'e's impact extended beyond his congregation in Samoa. He was a respected figure in the international religious community, representing Samoa with dignity and grace on various platforms. His teachings and sermons have touched the lives of people around the world, and his messages of love, compassion, and faith have resonated with many. To Rev Mafo'e's family and his congregation, we offer our deepest condolences. We know that the loss of such a beloved pastor is immeasurable, and our hearts go out to you in this time of grief. Please know that Rev Mafo'e's legacy will live on, and his memory will be forever cherished in our hearts and in the hearts of all those he has touched with his ministry. To the people of Samoa and believers around the world, let us honor Rev Viliamu Mafo'e's legacy by taking action. Let us continue to strive for spiritual growth, to practice love, compassion, and faith in our daily lives, and to carry forward Rev Mafo'e's teachings in our actions and interactions with others. Let us come together as a community to promote peace, unity, and social justice, following Rev Mafo'e's example. May his life and ministry continue to inspire us to make a positive difference in the world. Rev Viliamu Mafo'e was born and raised on the beautiful island of Samoa. From a young age, he was deeply connected to his cultural heritage and was raised with a strong sense of community and service. As he grew older, Rev Viliamu's passion for social justice and equality grew stronger, and he felt called to make a positive impact on his island home and beyond. After completing his theological study, Rev Viliamu returned to Samoa and became a respected leader in his community. He served as a pastor in his local church, where he tirelessly worked to address social issues such as poverty, access to education, and environmental conservation. He also spoke out against discrimination and injustice, using his voice to advocate for the marginalized and vulnerable. Rev Viliamu's dedication and impact on his community did not go unnoticed. He was invited to participate in regional and international conferences, where he shared his insights and experiences, raising awareness about the challenges faced by his island home and advocating for change. His charisma, compassion, and unwavering commitment to social justice earned him widespread admiration and respect. As Rev Viliamu's reputation grew, so did his sphere of influence. He partnered with local and international organizations to implement community development projects, such as sustainable farming practices, clean energy initiatives, and educational programs. He also led efforts to preserve Samoa's unique cultural heritage, promoting traditional arts, crafts, and language preservation. Despite facing challenges and obstacles along the way, Rev Viliamu remained steadfast in his mission to create a more just and equitable society. His tireless work and unwavering faith inspired many others to join him in his efforts, and a movement for social change began to gain momentum on the island of Samoa. Rev Viliamu's impact extended beyond Samoa as well. He was invited to speak at international forums, where he raised awareness about the challenges faced by small island nations in the face of climate change, environmental degradation, and social inequality. He became a prominent voice for Pacific Islander rights, advocating for policy change and greater global attention to the unique challenges faced by his home region. As he entered his later years, Rev Viliamu remained committed to his advocacy work and community service. He continued to inspire and mentor younger generations, passing on his wisdom and values to the next wave of leaders. He also encouraged local grassroots initiatives and worked towards empowering local communities to be agents of change in their own right. One day, Rev Viliamu called for a gathering of leaders from across Samoa to discuss the urgent need for action on social and environmental issues. He passionately spoke about the challenges faced by their island home, from the impacts of climate change to the need for greater social equality. He called upon his fellow leaders to come together and take concrete steps towards positive change, emphasizing the importance of collective action and community empowerment. Moved by Rev Viliamu's powerful words, the leaders in attendance pledged to work together towards creating a more just, sustainable, and inclusive Samoa. They committed to implementing policies and initiatives that would protect the environment, promote social equality, and preserve their cultural heritage. Rev Viliamu's call to action sparked a renewed sense of purpose and determination among the leaders, who were inspired by his lifelong dedication to service and advocacy. Rev Viliamu's legacy lived on, as his vision for a better Samoa was realized through the efforts of the next generation of leaders. His unwavering commitment to social justice, environmental conservation, and community empowerment continued to inspire positive change in Samoa and beyond. His life story became a beacon of hope, reminding others of the power of one individual's unwavering dedication to making a difference in the world. In conclusion, Rev Viliamu Mafo'e's life was a testament to the power of compassion, advocacy, and community service. His unwavering commitment to social justice, environmental conservation, and cultural preservation made a lasting impact on the island of Samoa and beyond. His courage to speak out against injustice, his tireless work to empower community, and his call to action inspired others to join him in creating positive change. Today, Samoa stands as a shining example of a community that has taken meaningful steps towards sustainability, social equality, and cultural preservation. The island's pristine natural beauty is protected, and sustainable practices are embedded in its way of life. Access to education and opportunities has improved, and the marginalized voices are heard and valued. Rev Viliamu's legacy continues to inspire future generations of leaders who carry on his vision and continue to advocate for social justice, environmental conservation, and community empowerment. His story has become a source of inspiration not only in Samoa but also in other parts of the world, where his life's work serves as a reminder of the power of one individual to make a meaningful difference. As Rev Viliamu's story is told and retold, it serves as a call to action to others to stand up for what they believe in, to work towards a more just and sustainable world, and to empower communities to create positive change. Rev Viliamu's legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those who continue to carry forward his mission, making the world a better place for generations to come. Let us be inspired by Rev Viliamu's life and work, and let us each take action in our own community and beyond. Let us stand up for social justice, environmental conservation, and cultural preservation. Let us empower communities and advocate for positive change. Together, we can make a meaningful difference, just as Rev Viliamu Mafo'e did in his lifetime. The legacy of Rev Viliamu Mafo'e serves as a reminder that one person can make a significant impact, and it is up to each of us to continue his work and create a better world for all.